Hey guys, so excited to share with you this awesome folding desktop hair dryer. This is incredible. My hair absolutely loves using it. I'm gonna open it up, show you what we got, but if you are looking for a great hair dryer, you're gonna wanna check this one out. So this folding desktop hair dryer has a really great long cord, which I love. You can Velcro it up if we aren't using it, but check out how sleek and beautiful this is. I am obsessed with the white and black color. It is so classy. It's easy to travel with, which is so awesome too. You have this great handle, so to carry it around, it makes it super simple. You have your nice lock on the back, your buttons on the side. You have your off, cool, medium, or hot. Very simple to use. And check this out. So it has these awesome brackets on the side that you can just set down, so you are able to lift it up very nice. And I love that it offers that option for really great security. And then check it out, it just bounces right up. So I can just push it to lock and check that out. Perfect. There you can just put your head under and you are good to go. And then to release, you can just press it and then it folds up very nice for you. So I'm in a shower yet using this, but if you were in the market for a super great one, definitely go check this out. I am absolutely obsessed. Alright, so my hair is wet, just got out of the shower. This is not only great to dry your hair, as you can see my hair is very light, so what I like to use it for is heating up those highlights if you're getting some color, or maybe if you're doing a perm, this is really nice. But very great handle. I'm going to get it set up and show you how great it is. On the side here, you can do it by off, cool, medium, or hot. I always like to do hot with just a twist of the button. Now that I'm all dried up, this has been incredible. I was able to use my hands as needed. When you're done, it's very simple. You can just fold it up, which is so handy if you are on the go. So very easy to use, a great product. Definitely go check it out. Just clips in the sides here, back into place. But overall, very satisfied with this. Definitely go grab it if you're looking for a great hair dryer.